In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a little boring nook or unused space from this into this with simply combining a few pieces that you can easily purchase from Amazon and or your local home improvement store. You can easily create your own custom wine, beverage, cocktail, coffee bar, whatever you prefer. You can create it to suit your needs. I will put the links for the products I used in the description. Now, before you begin, make sure you measure your space so you know exactly how much room you have to work with. My space measured 55 inches wide. Assembled cabinets come in a variety of sizes. So, depending on the amount of space that you have, you may choose to use one cabinet of the measurement of your choice on each side, or maybe two cabinets on one side and one on another, or maybe two cabinets on each side. For my space, I used two standard 15-inch wide cabinets that also matched the cabinetry in my kitchen. For the countertop, I chose to go with a wood slab countertop that could easily be cut with a circular saw to size. This gave it a lot of character and made it look like a great accent piece in my home. Here's what it looks like after it's been cut to size and put in place. I have even added a power tower so that I could easily plug in my appliances. I decided to add some wine cubbies. Now you can purchase some wine cubbies that are already assembled, but I wanted mine to be a specific size, so I purchased some wood and made my own. Here's what they looked like after I stained them. Now, since this is your own custom built area, you can move things around and install them wherever you wish. And here's what they look like installed. To create some eye-catching storage for displaying wine bottles and wine glasses and coffee cups, I purchased some wall-mounted wine bottle holders off of Amazon, along with some wooden shelves that also had wine glass holders underneath them so that I can mount those to the wall of the area. Make sure you leave enough space for hanging your wine glasses and wine bottles. Here's what they look like installed. Of course, every wine bar area also needs a wine refrigerator. So I purchased this HCK dual zone wine refrigerator. It was the perfect size to finish off my wine and coffee bar. Here's what it looks like installed in place. Take a look at the finished DIY project. Now take a look at the wine and coffee bar stocked with wine bottles and glasses. There's plenty of room for my beloved espresso cappuccino maker, my Keurig, and my Bartesian cocktail maker. It was so fun putting everything in place. This has been a great addition to my home. It frees up space in my kitchen and is great for entertaining. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video. Thanks for watching.